Taran Safe Passage is a uniquely designed patient transfer system that is able to transfer infected victims through a facility with complete safety while protecting healthcare workers and general public from airborne/droplet infection disease like COVID-19. It works on the principle of providing safe passage to an infected victim from a non-infectious area or evacuation of a contaminated victim from hot to cold zone. It is a robust wheelchair design for transferring of partially morbid patients not requiring stretcher evacuation. The airflow is maintained such that every breath of the patient is sucked out. It has high capacity HEPA filters maintained at negative pressure to collect 99.99% of infectious droplets. The aerosol containing viruses, bacterial or microbial pathogens are drawn out into a filtration assembly where micro droplets are filtered while pathogens are neutralized by ultraviolet C continuous exposure. The cleaned and exhaust air is recirculated back into the environment or can be directly used by the patient by using resuscitating masks. It is a rechargeable battery operated unit. It can easily be operated by a single attendant. All the surfaces of patient transfer can easily be disinfected using ultra or Poon Swatch devices or any other standard disinfection system. The system complies with CDC and ICMR guidelines for infection, isolation and quarantine procedure. The system can be used to transfer patients from home to ambulance or hospitals, interdepartmental transfer within the hospitals, and transport or evacuation of suspected or infected victim via crowded public places like metros, railways, airport, seaports, etc. The system is extremely useful for OPD clinics, acute care, inpatient areas, emergency rooms, and portable field or makeshift hospitals dedicated for COVID-19 management. In addition to this, it is also used for prevention of any other infectious diseases like tuberculosis. The system in general is extremely beneficial as a provisioning of quality healthcare. The system effectively works in accordance with hospital protocols, infectious control guidelines, and does not alter any existing standard operating procedures. The system can be used to transfer contaminated victim post dirty bomb attacks involving chemical and radiological nuclear emergencies as a part of CBRN Ultra devices. The system is well equipped to transfer to remote locations via standard transporting vehicle. The system is completely indigenous and extremely cost effective as a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat mission, a step towards self-reliant India by Defence Research and Development Organization.